I'm the bunch or skippers like what Jamaican friends call me, Capella like my South Africans call me, the Coco Master. A cowboy, so to you, killer Igbo, killer Igbo, killer Fetubo, Lodi, don't touch the die, never touch yet.
Nigga, I told you. Nigga, just one pinch. That's all I asked for. Nigga, why I'm in my hotel room? Nigga, listen, I want you to listen to something. Nigga, I bought clipper. Nigga, can you hear this? Nigga, I want you to shave my armpit. Nigga, no. Nigga, I've not shaved my armpit for 4 months. I want you to... Oh, nigga, when was the last time you messed? Nigga, you know I love to smell it. Nigga, I'm sending my driver now to pick it up. I want you to package the mess for me inside a poly bag. Nigga, can you hear me? Where are you? Nigga, I've swallowed. Listen to me. Are you mad? Nigga, don't let me. Are you mad? Nigga, don't let me change it for you. I'm sorry. Nigga, okay, guess what? Listen to me. You are outside. Nigga, are you outside? You are outside your house. Where is your house? Nigga, your house is in Ijebu-Ode. Nigga, what? Okay. Listen. Nigga, listen to me. I should call who? Nigga, I should call who? I won't say, listen, nigga, if I die like this, nigga, I'm 57 years old. If I tell you for once, just pinch me, okay, pinch me over the phone. Nigga, pinch me over the phone. Okay, listen to me. Nigga, I'm done with you. Ladies and gentlemen, Laisi is here again. Some just happen right now. I'm highly disappointed. Listen to me. I sat down there, I was waiting for my turn to perform. A guy came to meet me. He looked at me. He said, bro, how far? I said, I did. He went back. He came again. He said, Baba, how far? I said, I did. I was thinking, okay, he want to take a selfie. I'm thinking, okay, very soon, he will come and take a picture. The next thing, he said, bro, person sit down for here. I said, no. He sat down. After a few minutes, he signed me. Why are you eyeing me? I'm thinking, okay, very soon he will say what he want to say. I did not know that this idiot, this guy that God will help me to punish, is eyeing a plate of small chops and samosa close to me. He asked me, say, bro, have you used that? I said, do your thing. He picked the samosa and small chop. He's munching on it. He looked at me. I said, what is it again? He said, bro, no verse, an egg. It's something in my teeth. I said, wait, is that what I'm here for? He said, no. He not just the like, make something in the hand for his teeth. I didn't answer. Few minutes later, if you did this when you were in primary school, I will understand. But looking at that man, he looked like a married man. This man took his hand inside his mouth, open it wide, bring out onions. One onion that gathered in his teeth. He brought it out. He looked at it. He ate. thinking he will throw it away. After eyeing it, he took it back inside his mouth. Are you mad? After a few minutes, he came and said, bros, I beg, selfie. He will not better for you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Last season. My name is MC Shakara. Formerly, I was living at the mainland. My friends deceived me come island. Now we are here. Island, hello? No envy people when they stay island though. We were there here. As they stay this island. Now when house rent don't they want expire, now you go know say island water no good. As it don't reach October, but nothing in this island though. You call your friends with the mainland. How far? On I get water, I say yes. But this island they are rubbish. Everything for island is packaging. Club, enter club. Yes, go come from mainland. Come island. Come collect big money. Go back to mainland. I enter club, they dance with one girl. What is this Shinopela club name? People where they go, man, answer now. Kill us. That's how they dance with one girl. Hello. The next thing she asked me, what are you offering? I said, they collect offering here. She said, if you are not serious, leave me alone. That's okay. What do you want me to offer? She said, my fee is 40,000. Then they play hot song, the song turned to blues for my ear. I said, baby, you say what? She said, 40,000. You know, so you get something will go happen, you go remember what did happen before. I can't remember what happened for my compound. We don't get water. For 2 weeks, we called 3 men to come dig well. Then dig well, break stone before we see water. We pay 3 of them, 7,500. So as the guy say 40,000, now I carry my phone. Now I call my neighbor. I say, hello, Uche. I put that for speaker. Uche, I beg, I want to see something, I beg. Those 3 men went dig well for our compound. What we pay? How much we pay them? He said 7,500. I said, baby, you hear? 3 men dig well, break stone. We pay 3 of them 7,500. You won't give 40,000. You won't give us street light? No, I need to understand. Let's see. Well, listen though. Let us see good though. If you go to Abuja, hey! If you go to Abuja, no near girl. Abuja girls, their own worse. Now Abuja now God don't know who sent me. We do show AY life. After AY life, we go club and they dance. The girl where they dance with, she said, "You want me for the night?" I said, "I don't know. Say now that I do." Now she called me go side. She open her bag, give me tell her man go pay for bank. Because the thing of it happened that night. Say go happen like on Tuesday. So on Monday, because they get too fine, patiently, I can't go bank. I enter queue. I hold the teller. So where I call the filler, you know, I call the fill. You call this one place where they write purpose of payment. I don't know what to write. So I can't jump her. I know they say that youth copper, when they post come bank, those youth copper, they must special say they won't get everything correct. If not professional bankers. You know that's Molly. She said no right there. Okay, it's for merriment. Like 2 people kind of enjoyment. I run for you know, say if your wife fine, if you enter occasion like this, you see what you mean to do now, you introduce that to all your friends. Oh minute, my wife, Grace. Michael, my wife, Grace. Mama, my wife. But if your wife will walk, so I enter, Uche, see the woman way born my children. And this one I born for me. Mama, on this side. Now, I'm not if I want to walk up. Nigeria try for walk up. Hello, we try. I am not a crap for survival. We try, I'm not a crap for survival. Now, you know, say, for that walk up, and I go notice say if they want change player, they go raise this electronic board up. If your number they show green, you have to go in. If they show red, come outside. And they watch Kano Pillars and Plateau United match last week. To change player, I be like war. Because if you change player, I don't agree come out. Can we play at the play? You call him. I bet let somebody come help me do this thing. Rob Scott, you wait here, joggers. Come. Come, jump here, jump there. Be like footballer. Nice one. But with this look, if you know something play ball, na mistake, oh, come here. Now just dey play like say you dey play ball. If I call you, no answer me. Can you play that? They won't change that. Number 7. Coach go confused. Coach won't come out am now. See the tactics now. You can't call her and say won't give am advice. Number 7, nice one. How can Kaninga pass like that? Come on. Zokoji. Nice one. How can. Come on, Peter.
Una to pretend as if una love me. So una go scream. DJ, listen o. You play song of person wey no well. Because now they sick, they want introduce. So introduce me again. Wait, now when you make introduce us now, now you get the introduction.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are ready. All the way from his house. If those hands are not too busy, I want you to jump those hands together as we make way come on stage. The award-winning comedian, Ebe Paul!
Children of God, K-Ro. When I say children of God, K-Ro, you guys will say Ogbogo. Children of God, K-Ro. Okirika suit, not trouser. Okirika suit, not the trouser. If you buy the top before you call another person, don't buy the trouser. Who they give quick notice, not the park daytime. Hello? To avoid story that touches. Papa Emeka, you know the park, you not tell us before. Children of God, K-Ro. If Rosebud Papa die, any man will go the burial na ilo. Oh, children of God, K-Ro. Whether na short time you do, whether na daybreak you be ilo. Hello. No man you and they talk anyhow. It not be as he get Ogolo Mojob. I saw first time for my life when they call me say, Paul, you are coming to the Europe. I not tell my papa, I not tell my mama. Ask me why I not tell them. Because believe people, all back talk by him. And the last people when they say we love technology. Do you know now you can do video call. You know since what God they do video call for people. Oh, children of God, just do mistake. Provoke one Obama for Benin. Now only 3 times they go call your name, you go appear for video call. They don't need network. The mama go just go back here and don't call your name. Oh, Sarena! He went to Liada. Liada, you go come out. Oh, I love Lagos with passion. Children of God, more. They won't give me another mic. Yeah, mic 1, 2. Test shop 2 plate for And they like me like bad the test mic. Whenever the test mic, now you hear shop Shop 2 No so hungry, don't they be them. Oh, children of God, K-Ro. I know the young voice I will. What you own and liver now we look. When I say children of God, K-Ro, you say, oh, woko. This country don't run. And they tell everybody everywhere where I go. Now, when the way the country be now, if armed robber call rob you see money give them, then they pray for you.
Are you serious?
Oh, more than serious. Children of God, get wrong. This country don't rest. Now listen to me, children of God. If Amdoba can rob you, if they knock for your door, you go answer them. Who did that? They reply you. Now wait. Amdoba, open the door. No, open the door for them. Let them break in. Now part of their work be that. Let them do their job. Oh, children of God, get wrong. This country don't rest. That's why we call it breaking and entry. Don't let them work there easy for them. Amdoba called up my neighbor for Aguda. Soon later. For night, the guy they sleep, they pray, the guy has set up. Everybody lined up. They just came back. They say, we'll kill anybody. Amdoba said, I beg, one and not kill anybody. I said, Amdoba, the guy said, one and not kill anybody. The guy stand up. Amdoba said, where you go? Then the guy said, una say your money all your life. One and not keep it. I won't go give you now. Amdoba said, talk to you. You mean say you get money for this house for the Buhari regime? The guy said yes. The guy walked straight to his wardrobe, brought out 1.8 million naira for the regime. See where Amdoba they pray for who they corrupt. Say, my God, I need that. You need deliverance. Anywhere you for take bring this money, come outside, take bless your sisters. Amdoba call her blessing. Say now God will double the money for you. Jesus name and fear. Who they love say amen. If you see prayer, when they pray for the guy finish, the guy stand up. Amdoba say, we talk and say you get plan. You they go call police, the man say no, the prayer touched me. So I won't add, join the money what I don't give you before. First time for my life, when I see where Amdoba tell who they call up, say no, Oga. We are okay with this one. Maybe they say we be thief. Play the music, This is what the country don't read. Nigeria is very sweet. You know, so many comedians they tell us say we get SARS on the beat and we get SARS with the beat. Oh, children of God came wrong. I'm not a year that waka. Children of God came wrong. One guy they waka from my area of Aguda. Then police people stop him. Bam! The guy they waka with leg go. Bam! But the guy said I'm not driving. They say park your leg. The guy park his leg. Now that's how. Where are you coming from? He said they come from a friend house. Where do they go? He said they go in friend house. Where do they stay? He said they stay with his friend. Oh, children of God came wrong. Now that's how. Where that your friend they stay? He said that his friend is squat with one of their friend. The Lagos people don't get work. And the guy carry one bag. Now the answer, what's in the bag? The guy said nothing. True, they check the bag, nothing though. They tell her you're under arrest. The guy said, okay, what I do? They say this one way you carry empty bag. They walk out the whole area. Meaning you get plans to go thief something put this out. Somebody got it. Because of time, man don't place more man go. You know say Nigeria don't fold up. Now be joke now if they are celebrating anything, Yoruba people I love them. See them, Yoruba people like party. If you they celebrate anything, Yoruba people don't want to know what they celebrate. Invite them, everybody they go buy your shebiko. Don't sit down from a Yoruba boys life room. Don't sit down front. Don't call shop like 3 plates. Don't call the complaint say they never shop. Yoruba boys get respect. Not only that they call all shots. Mommy. What? Mommy, later on your teacher all your Robbie baby. The usher when they share the food because they want to say this guy mad when they share. Says his money never look. No mind my friend Aki. Now it finish call you and your baby na serviette. When person go to finish call you and rob your baby not come out. Oh, but I love believe people. How about talk by him? See there, all those when they shout himself, give them chance. Believe people not to find trouble. Oh, children of God came wrong. Now let believe you go stand on bus stop for one person go tell you slap. You also got what I will say to the worry you. When you dey stand, why you not dey control your shadow? Say your shadow dey match my shadow for a year. Oh, hey. Lead the way, daughter. Oh, but now believe they invite me go to party. Now when I come Lagos, as he say for hotel, if you lodge for hotel, receptionist go come. Every morning room keeper go come knock. Kiringi, as you open the door, good morning sir. I say for the rest of the day. There was a company 9 classic. He get one guy that they call classic here. That guy hold before for Jonathan regime. But as Buhari enter, the guy see who only see the whole people. Children of God came wrong. Now the guy invites me. If you see hotel where the guy go lost people for Benin inside Yoko. Hotel room, every morning room keeper come up. As I open door, they use broom and pack and taste to me say, bros, if you sleep today, clean your room. First time when the guy lost me for the room, now me not wise. Hotel room where classic lost me put. I open my hotel room door, lock am, TV trip off. I open the door, the TV on. I lock am, the TV off. See where they use their TV till they play with the door. Off. For my own hotel room, I say man sit down for the bed. As I sit down for the hotel room bed, toilet flush.
Hey, Daddy, you can lie.
My brother, not be lie, na real life story. Oh, she did not go Kero. I said make I go look who dey toilet. I see one Billy boy from upper the piece and show. Now the guy say he's surprised at me. I say yes. He say idiot. Now the room they lodge you would not be toilet. Now me and you they share this toilet. My own room they back. So now window. And they, oh, she did not go Kero. Now for that hotel room, they for take my charger. I will say now only the charger if for not pay me the thief body socket. When I plug up, now say me worry boy for the Benin. When the hustle for Lagos, Benin not rich. Now say man go report for police station. As at the enter station and they hear noise, I don't know say inside station. Benin boys don't thief DPO phone. So DPO gather all the constables there. More than all these people for the Benin myself. If you don't know, before I become police for the Benin, I be armed robber before. If you don't know, may head rope. Oh, children of God, Kero. To cut the long story short, now say my God, the wedding, where classic invite me for. As I reach the wedding, oh, ladies and gentlemen, not to one, not to scatter, I don't bring up. Oh, not be error, bring this one. Because the one where Simon Moses dash me, I never eat a finish. Man, the keeper, and I know say a family problem.
I know that show me.
Oh, teacher, wait! I don't need to take them to show me love. Who I don't think go pass it in and go send message come. As I dey talk, as I go the wedding, Oba talk for Yoruba land, na small boys dey come your party dey call shop for Benin na old women, all those dey wey their body don dey shake, wey dem dey put tobacco for mouth, na dem call shop o. You dey fight food, you see the old woman dey do, you fit say mama no entry, As I go, one mama sit down entry, everything wey dem dey share, na mama dey shop. Then they share fried rice and chicken. See where mama they order the usher when they share that. As they bring, mama collects 6 plates of rice. She said that the 6 ways now your friends don't go please. Oh, she did not go. Now so mama gather the 6 plates of rice, gather them for her back. As he get go, mama hit everything, the rice high. Before I go blink at mama don't do the rest. Everything don't finish. I say, hey, mama drink water, I say mama don't get the food. One fear mama shop different kind of food. What hey. Now where they share omo soup and starch. Mama stand on top share, they call the girl. All the time I say, mama, you go first. Say that they go to water when you went there. Mama don't eat different kind of food. She don't know where she's at. They take the shop salad. She visit her egusi soup. She got the complaint. Egusi soup in her mouth. I say, mama, now. Say, shut up your mouth. You know she won't get the shop right. Egusi soup all year. Not the woman. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much. I'm loving you. Hey.
How many of you, I would have done something else, but I've been told to do this specifically for some people. But how many of you remember those days when your parents will tell you, I will beat you, you will show your children's children? You remember? Do you know that that thing is actually a prayer? It's a prayer because now, me, on my body, I have plenty mark. It's not mark of the beast. It's my mother that gave it to me. It's like an installation they cannot delete. The belt one is there. That one is like comma like this. The Koboko one is there. Everyone is there. Ladies and gentlemen, some of you, they'll say, what's your favorite moment? You've been saying things you have done with your parents. But I cannot say that. No, because even now, I'm even remembering the things that happened to me when I was growing up. Undo me because people have died before. Some people lost their life when they were younger. But mercy saying no, that Larry, you will make it. So here am I'm still making it. But you know, when your mommy want to kill you, they don't used to tell you. They will just be warning you. They will use the sign language finish. They will be winking at some children. The children will be winking back. In my old days, if my mother wink at you, peace will just catch you. Something will just be doing you. And especially when they now sit down, they are not shaking their leg. You just notice that you are just having temperature. Your body will be, as your friend will be saying, you will behave yourself. You come for events, you will see children jumping up and down. In our old days, we cannot jump because if you jump once and they look at you, and they now smile that smile that does not have head, it does not have face. Nobody is cracking jokes. They just like, you know that you have died already. So it's just only you will just be sitting there and say, you know, because you know, especially if they not tell you, go, just don't go. Because me, I've gone before and I go home, I did not come out again. See, you people are laughing because some of you here, some things have happened to you. You cannot tell other people. Some of you have had friends that have lost their life. Me, I die. I wake up. My pastor did not preach to me. No. My mother killed me, but See, ladies and gentlemen, it happened that day. My mother said, Larry, don't play ball on the road. And I would tell myself, I will not play ball. See, now, you know, I was not playing ball with my friend, Tuji, because his dad is a pastor. My own daddy is not a pastor. So when Tuji said, Larry, let's go and play. In my ear, it's like, thus said the Lord. So when I was not playing with Tuji, you know, it's 2-2 now. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. So as we were playing, my mommy come. As I saw her, I ran inside. I didn't know that she see me. But me, I didn't not see me. I ran inside. When she came, she brought the pepper. She said, Larry, come and go and grab pepper. We have party. As I was going, you know that those days we used to grab pepper inside paint bucket. Ladies and gentlemen, I carried my paint bucket. As I was going, Tunji did not call me. When I've not grabbed the pepper finished. When I've grabbed the pepper finish, on my way back, Tunji now said, Larry is our set. And you know, Tunji's dad is a pastor. He's like, God said the Lord is our set. As we were playing, he had not reached 2 minutes. 1504 now passed, color gray. I cannot forget it in my life. He now matched the post. Ladies and gentlemen, when he came for match the post, Tunji now said, Larry, Shady, your pepper is heavy. And I think to myself, I said, hey, it's heavy. And you now say, let's use it to do post. If it was another person that measured the post, it would not have been me, but it's me that used my own leg. And I put my paper down, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4. When I now put the other stone, ladies and gentlemen, Tunji now said, Larry, it's not the lucky post. Let's go to the other side. When he said, let's go to the other side, something in my spirit was saying, I should say, get it behind me, Satan. But his dad is a pastor. I don't think devil can be using it.
Kí lẹ̀yin rí gbọ́ tẹ́ bá touch yẹ, tẹ́ bá touch yẹ, a máa touch yìí.